If there's difficulties relationally, you always have to look at the environment and the structure, because structure determines behavior. You can only do so much if it's not congruent. You can only do so much. And you can say, I hear you, and I think there's nothing wrong with saying, you make some good points. Here's what I can do and here's what I cannot do. I can make this information present to them, and if I were coaching or consulting in this organization at that level, I would be talking to that top level leader to say it's been brought to our attention. And it won't solve overnight, like to just acknowledge that it's been brought to our attention. Even that is something. To pretend that it doesn't exist because of all the other things we do is not addressing the elephant that everybody knows is there. And like, you can soft soap it, but it's appeasing. It's okay to not be perfect. I know there's so many things I'm not good at, and the best thing that's ever happened to me is to make peace with the idea that I am not very good in certain areas. Because with that, I can actually rely on other people, and I don't have to posture and pretend. Yep, you need to probably proofread my stuff. There's probably going to be a comma missing. I might misspell my own name. So just like, I need that, and it's just okay, because I'm not trying to be something that I'm not. I know where I'm good. That's just not, I don't put effort into that because someone else is better.